live in the US. These Tamil class students will take us on a quick tour of states of India before landing to the state of Tamil Nadu, followed by a couple of folk dances by Tamil class kids, Kavadi Attam and Oli Attam. These two are two popular folk dances. Kavadi Attam is performed during the ceremonial worship of God. Oyilattam is a dance for every occasion. Tamil class students are combining the Kavadi Attam and Oliyattam to feast your eyes and ears. The song for this dance is a folk style devotional song, followed by a unique number by Tamil class parents. They are going to give a demo on a unique game called Kabaddi, which is very popular in villages in India. Enjoy a small sample display of the Kabaddi game by Tamil class parents. Let's welcome Tamil class, our HATCC Tamil class. When I said at least welcome, give them a big round of applause. Do I have to beg for each and everything? This is only 7 o'clock, not dinner time yet.
ನಾನು ಔಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಬರೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಕರೆಸಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಫೋಟೋ.
Hello. Vanakkam. Well, now we are into Tamil Nadu. From Tamil Nadu, we are taking a big step back and looking at India. Let's start with how many states are there in India? Any guesses? Is it less than 20? More than 20? 30? We're almost close. I think it's time to revisit the facts, right? Indian facts. So there are 29 states in India and 7 union territories. Now, don't ask me what's a union territory. Now you might be wondering why we are talking about the facts. We are getting there. Before highlighting the significance of Tamil Nadu, we are playing a skit to show the unity and diversity within India. A father and son are coming to India to do a project about heritage at India. Alas, the father misses the son right at the starting. But hold on, he gets help throughout the India. Let's see how. Did anyone say Finding Nemo? Yeah, it's similar to that. The kids have taken good effort to understand the importance of each state. Yes, you got the point. No more chit-chatting, and yes, no more cell phone calls, please. But you are allowed to take infinite photos and videos. Once the father gets into Tamil Nadu, you will see an interesting twist. Here you go.
down here. AP, pretty much. My teacher grade is like Wait, he's asking his dad how to use the camera. Wait, is your teacher supposed to be your diagram? So if you told him wait, yes, it's not the play. That's the play. So what is a not like you can just say you're part of this, you know, like they just organize stuff like that. They need to do it works, but I think you don't really have to do more. That's the one meeting, you know, on the thing like that. Like walking is they went on 5. Yes, it was less than 5.
Wait, they supposed to like everything.
So you have to have, like, stay after school and go to Walmart or something.
Yeah, I know.
And then come back and like, come up. You need that in the past. I mean, like, when you go to one time I did that. Like, I went to the club. So I had to do next year. I went to Walmart.
Now the father is in search of his son. He is heading towards northern part of India, Jammu and Kashmir. Our mother is always on our thoughts. Naturally, the holy shrine of Hindu mother goddess Vaishno Devi, which is nestled in a beautiful recess of Himalayas, gets the first priority. Wow, Srinagar, Dal Lake and houseboats are enveloped in an arrow of mystery and elusiveness. Tales of Ladakh beauty and mystic are sung far and wide.
You see these?
I would think it was like crazy.
Now they are getting towards Himachal. The wonderful, cool and charming town Shimla is the first touch point in Himachal. Need a blend of tranquility and adventure? What else it can be other than Manali? Need more adventure? Spiti, a remote high altitude area of Himachal Pradesh, which is often described as world within world. Now they are heading into Haryana. Zoomed into Taj Mahal, there is no wonder in being a world wonder. Land of holy legends, Kurukshetra. Chandigarh, headquarters of world's youngest religion. Now they are heading into Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. We will truly be kings and queens in Jaipur with its stunning hilltop forts, glorious palaces. It's a colorful state. How can I take my eyes out of the full of old mansions, beautiful gardens, intricate temples and grand palaces overlooking expansive shimmering lakes in Udaipur? Now they are heading into Gujarat. You haven't seen anything if you haven't seen Kutch. It's a mesmerizing symphony of salt and land. Hindu moon god built a temple full of gold to pay reverence to Lord Shiva for his glory and compassion. The same temple was reconstructed by Ravana in silver, Sri Krishna in wood, and King Bhimdeva in stone. How can we miss the Somnath temple? Now they are heading towards Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. Long stretch of sandy coastline has something to offer everyone. So many islands to relax. Which one can I afford to miss? There might be no better place in the world to relax and rejoice than on one of Goa's spectacular beaches that lives up to your image of a tropical paradise. own country, Kerala. We are referring to Kerala. Dad decided to visit famous temples in Kerala. He started with Sabarimala and walked through Kaladi, the birthplace of Adi Shankara. Finally, he landed to Guruvayur, hoping that he will find his son soon. Vandare Vaalavekum Tamilagam, which is translated to Tamil Nadu welcomes everyone and cherishes them at her home. She is filled with rich tradition. Her contribution to the world are many. Agara Mudalai Eluthellam, Adi Bhagavan Mudatre Ulagu. Thirukkural is a precious gem among the classics, unique in the deliverance of code of conduct to the mankind to follow for all times to come. This classical work, written in Tamil by Thiruvalluvar, has been translated in over 60 languages of the world. செந்தமிழ் நாடெனும் போதினிலே இன்பத்தேன் வந்து பாயுது காதினிலே என்று முழங்கியவர் பாரதி. அவருடைய இனிமையான பாடலுக்கு மார்கன்வில் தமிழ் பள்ளியின் குழந்தைகள் தமிழ்நாட்டின் மிகச் சிறப்பான பரதநாட்டியம் ஆடி நம்மை மகிழ்விக்க வருகிறார்கள். Now you will all witness the highlights of rich culture of Tamil Nadu live on stage.
Dancing. Wait, you guys do it too? Oh no, for some like sport thing, I don't know. It's like tackle. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like
ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, நீ ஓடிருக்கலாகாது பாபா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, நீ ஒரு குழந்தையை வையாத பாபா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாபா. சின்னஞ்சிறு குருவி போல நீ தெரிந்து பறந்து வா பாபா. வண்ண பறவைகளை கண்ட மனதில் மகிழ்ச்சி கொள்ள பாபா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாபா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, ஒரு குழந்தையை வையாத பாபா. ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா.
திக்கு தக்க தத்தி கிண்ண தோம்பி நுத்த தத்தி மிகா ஹத்த ஜொம் தரிதா தரித்த கண்ணத்தா கண்ணத்த ஜொன்னுத்தா ஜொன்னுத்த திம்மி தீ நுத்த தத்தி மிகா ஹத்த ஜொம் தரிதா தரித்த கண்ணத்தா கண்ணத்த ஜொன்னுத்தா ஜொன்னுத்த திம்மி தீ நுத்த தத்தி மிகா ஹத்த ஜொம் தக்க தீ நுத்த திம்மி கா ஹத்த ஜொம் தக்க தீக்கு குருபட தருகிற ஜொம் தக்க தத்தி கிண்ண தொம் தத்தி கிண்ண தொம்.
ஓடி விளையாடு பாபா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாபா.
They are talking about Kavadiyattam. Kavadiyattam is mainly a religious dance performed during the ceremonial worship of Lord Murugan, the second son of Shiva. The ancient Tamils carried the offerings to the gods tied on the either end of the long stick, which was balanced on the shoulders. The Kavadi itself is a physical burden through which the devotees implore for help from Lord Murugan. The religious belief says that whoever carried on his shoulders the Kavadi, signifying the two hills, and visits the temple on above should be blessed. Oilatam. Oilatam, meaning the dance of grace, is a rare folk dance. Typically, the performers have colored handkerchiefs tied to their fingers, describing the great epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and also Lord Muruga's history. This dance is generally performed by male in groups, and it is a freestyle dance. The music and dance is set in such a way that the audiences are provoked for the music and tempted to dance for the steps. After a challenging physical field work, this is their way to relieve the body pain and fill the atmosphere with joy.
time management, schedules, stress, pills, medical insurance. Are we back into US? Not yet. Relax. These words are not even in our villagers' vocabulary. Our villagers led a simple life and enjoyed every moment with song and play. We are going to show a demo of Kabaddi where folk song is intermixed in the play. Followed by that is a demo of Silambatam, which traces back to several thousand years.
Wonderful Tamil class kids and parents.
Thank you.
Wonderful Tamil class, HITCC Tamil class and parents. So these numbers are trained under the guidance of Mohandas Sankaran. Please come on stage. Please come on stage. To do the honors, I would like to call Chitra Venkateswaran to stage. Thank you, Rohanji. Thank you, Chitra. The trivia question. Next stage. Vishu Ashaham Sagal. Vishu Ashaham Sagal. Kerala, yes. A beautiful Malayalam song representing God's own country, Kerala, and its harvest festival Onam is presented